Hi guys, Barnes here, and in this video I will show you how to stop with your skateboard. So we just learned how to push on your skateboard not long ago, and of course you want to learn how to stop. Stopping on your skateboard is relatively easy, but it's a very important part of learning how to skate. The easiest way to stop on a skateboard or slow your speed is to press the tail down until it comes into contact with the floor. The most important part of this way of stopping is to shift most of your body weight to the tail. Remember, the more pressure you have on your tail, the faster you are going to slow down. Then let the friction of your deck against the concrete be enough to slow your momentum. While this might be easy, we don't really want to use it because you are going to kill your tail in no time, scraping off the wood and create another problem because at some point the tail will be sharp and cause hard cuts on your legs, ankle and so on. If you want to stop and lean back because you think it's cool, make sure you let your back foot hang out on the tail and drag your heels on the floor and try to avoid scraping your tail. Another way of slowing down is to take your pushing foot off and drag it across the ground. While this requires more balance, it can oftentimes lead to less deck damage compared to stopping with your tail, which can wear out the back of your deck. So let's try stopping by simply dragging your foot to slow down. We are going to push and ride, then just remove the back foot and use the friction of the shoe against the ground to slow down your skateboard. Learning how to stop with this way is good, so you can avoid doing a trick that you are not fully committed and you can stay out of other skaters' way when skating in a skate park. If you have any questions or something to share, use the comments below. And thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. Like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for the weekly videos. Follow me on different socials. But as always, the most important is to go skate and have fun.